Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing okay. Today I'm gonna be doing some extreme deep cleaning of my kitchen and a little bit of cleaning in my living area. I hope you all enjoy this video. If you're seeing me for the first time, my name is KG. I upload video every other day on cleaning, makeup, cooking, and every other good stuff. So you're welcome to join the family. Click on the subscribe button if you haven't. Give me a thumb up. That will mean a lot to me. Leave me a comment below and don't forget to click on the notification bell beside the subscribe button. I don't want to talk too much in this video. Thank you so much once again for stopping by. Enjoy the video, guys.
I can't think nothing better than spending my day with you. My life's sunny and better, girl, when I'm with you. She luminous so bright like a star in the skylines. She got the looks, the good, oh boy, I need her so bad in my life. Shawty, where you wanna go, 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 go? London, Paris, Tokyo.
So the kids has been doing some painting and coloring lately. You just have to do the best you can with the kids that are home. You can go to school and all of that. Do the best you can like the teacher does. So that's why the table is like that. Most of the time the kids are always like that. So I'm gonna clean all of that up and make sure the table is clean and well arranged. So yeah, I'm gonna move all those things that are on the floor and the shoes. I'm gonna move them into the closet, the kids' shoes and all of that, because whenever they come in, the shoe is like one is in the north and the other in the south. So yeah, I'm gonna just do the kitchen and the living room the way it goes. So yeah, I'm not gonna focus on one side than the other, if you guys understand what I mean. So I'm just gonna go with the flow. Whatever I can do, I'm gonna do it. And so yeah, let's keep washing. I already did some cleaning in the living room, so I'm gonna move to the kitchen now. And also I was just making some tea to drink for my breakfast, so that was what I was doing before I continue with my countertop. So I took off the kids plates and all of that, and I'm going to be making some oatmeal for the kids while I'm doing other things. So like I always say, I use one stone to kill two birds. So yeah,
I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you. Nobody but you. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you.
Everybody shake it, baby. Everybody shake it, baby. shake it, baby.
I can't think nothing better than spending my day with you. My life's sunny and better, girl, when I'm with you. She illuminates so bright like a star in the skylines. She got the looks, the good, oh boy, I need her so bad in my life. Shawty, where you wanna go, 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 go? London, Paris, Tokyo, oh, shawty, we could go. Don't need no luggage, nah, 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 nah. Don't need no stress, girl, nah, 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 nah. Just me and your sounds alright, girl. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you.
So I'm all finished. I did all the countertop and I'm satisfied. This is the dish rack. I'm waiting for it to drain before putting it back. I'm gonna be cutting the pineapple later. I mop the floor and I'm gonna take this goldfish back to Costco when I'm going out very soon now. So yeah, that's why that one is at the entrance. So yeah, I'm done with the dining area, with the living area, and I remember that I didn't wipe the center table. So I'm just gonna finish that up. Then I'm all finished for today before the kids start to dismantle everything. So I did the best I can and everything is looking clean and beautiful at the moment. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.